How to fix Telegram download media files not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the download media option not showing in Telegram on your Android device. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, make sure that you have the latest version of Telegram app updated in your mobile. To see that, you can simply open the Play Store and search for Telegram. And if any update is available there, you can simply install and update it. And once updated, you can simply go back to the home screen. And with that, we will head to the step 2, that is to clear cache in Telegram. To do that, we simply open the settings, and from there I'm gonna simply scroll down and tap on apps. Once you are in the app section, you can see the option label manage app. Simply tap on that. Now, once you are here, you can simply tap on the search bar and search for Telegram. And once you have found it, simply tap on it. And once you are in the Telegram settings, you can see the option labeled clear data, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on that. And once the pop-up menu appears, simply tap on clear cache and confirm by tapping on OK. And after clearing the cache, close the settings and simply restart the Telegram app. And after that, you can verify if your download files are accessible. To do that, I'm going to simply open the Telegram app and download some random videos right there. And once I have downloaded it, I'm going to simply go back and open the file manager. And once I'm inside it, I'm going to simply tap on the search icon shown in the top right corner of the screen and simply search for the Telegram. And here you can see the files that you have downloaded earlier. You can also try downloading a media file from Telegram and check if it is appearing in your file manager. And if everything is working fine, your issue is now resolved. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.